If you want to get an A in your English exam, you have to learn new words. So let me take you through the thought process of befriending a word. So let's look at the word experimental. Experimental. Share in the comments where you've seen or heard of this word. I'll wait. Now, let's break this word down to its base form, meaning what can stand on its own and have meaning. Well, does it have a prefix or suffix? I can see that it has a suffix, meaning the word part at the end of the word. Here, it's the al, which could mean that it's an adjective. So the base word here is the word experiment. So, share in the comments where you've seen or heard the base word before. I'll wait. For me, I've done experiments for science in primary and secondary school. We usually have a hypothesis of what we believe in, whether it's the reaction between chemicals or natural occurrences, and we try to test and prove what we think is true. Now let's look at this word in context. When you want to befriend a word, you have to know how it lives in the world, where its home is, and who are its neighbors. So you have to look at your word and see what are the other words around it. What is the situation it's in? So here's the word in context. I really love that painter, but people either love or hate his work. He does experimental art that plays with different colors. It's unique, but not everyone's cup of tea. Now try to guess the word's meaning and put it in the comments. I'll wait. For me, from its context, I can guess that it's a word that is used in arts, that it's a very different kind of art. In terms of a dictionary definition, it is when art or artistic techniques are new and innovative in style. You can also use this word in other situations, say to describe a new invention or product that hasn't been fully tested, established, or finalized. For example, an experimental vaccine or an experimental drug. You can also use this word to point out that something is related to scientific experiments, for example, experimental results. So very much like math formulas, there is a way to decode a word. So try this out.